Good morning children. So today I am going to show you how to do bird nest. So let's see how to do. It's very easy. See, wings, two wings are also there. So let's see how to do. Okay, so first I'm taking here one CD and two color papers, red and yellow. So first trace the CD. So we need circle. So you can take any like plate or something, something circle you can take. Okay, so here I am taking CD and this is big and little small I want. So here I am taking one bowl. See, CD is big and little, this bowl is small. So okay, so two circles we need. So one big and one small. Okay, so same, keep bowl like this and trace the circle. Okay, see, so two size circles we got. Now small two beaks we have to do. Okay, so just take one small paper, orange paper, or you can take white only, and you can color with orange color. Okay, so like this beak and leaves. Now two leaves we need, so you can fold like this. You can take any base papers. Okay, and see, curve shape you have to do like a leaf. Okay, these, so we will get two leaves if we cut. Okay, now take a scissor. First leaf we will cut. So see, neatly you have to cut that shape. Okay, curve shape. Scissors will be sharp, be careful. Okay, two leaves are ready. Now two beaks, one for mama bird and one for small baby bird. Okay, so two beaks are ready. Now circle. Always see, whenever you want to cut any shapes, so first you have to very side, the corner you have to trace and you have to cut. If you cut center, the whole paper will be waste. Now see, you can use this side, right? So always very sidely you have to cut. Now cut the circles. Slowly, take your time. Okay, sometimes you will cut inside, so be careful. Outside, if you cut any shape like this, no problem, but inside be careful. Okay, so one circle is done. Keep this beaks. Now this circle also. This paper you can use for another craft. Keep aside. Now two circles are ready. Two beaks, leaf. Now what you have to do for bird? Now here you have to cut straight. Okay, so one line like this. See, you have to cut this much. Mark. Can you see? I will show you once again. Okay. See here, like a square, rectangle. Okay, so rectangle you have to make a line. Same for this also. One standing line, here one sleeping line, and standing line. Okay, the shape should be like this. Now what you have to do? You have to cut this. Now turn, and here you have to cut like this. Here. Only this much. Here you don't cut. Okay, only standing line you have to cut. Now this you have to fold like this. See? The wings, these are the bird's wings, okay? Yes. Now mama will be like this, so this opposite side you have to fold. Now beak, you have to stick your beak. Once again I will show. See, beak you have to stick, so put the glue here. Corner, little only you have to pour, okay? If you have glue stick, it will be nice. See, and this side also, see, little only you have to put here. Okay. Now eyes, bird eyes. Now see here. Make a small circle and just you have to do like this. Same for a small bird also, baby bird. Okay. Now these birds and leaves keep aside. Now take brown paper or any color, light color paper you can take, or dark color, brown or black you can take. Now what you have to do, just fold like this, fold. Now see, you have to cut one sleeping line, you have to draw. See here, sleeping line, okay? There. And the pot shape you have to give, okay? So like a pot shape, but this is the nest, okay? So see, slant line and sleeping line. So this you have to cut. Only this much we will take, okay? Don't want little less, only let it be. Okay, so open. Now what you have to do, here you have to fold like this. Both sides. Okay, see the nest. This is the nest portion, and on this lines you have to do like this. Okay, now take a white paper. White paper you can take, or any thick little, it should be thick, okay? Now you have to stick here. See, it should be like this. So first nest we will stick. So here we fold it, right? So here you have to put the glue. Little here only, here also have it. And paste it. Here you have to paste like this, okay? Now this birds. First baby bird we will stick. See? Now here you have to stick like this, okay? Inside. Now this bird here, so put the glue. And stick it here. Now two leaves. So put the glue for leaf. And here you can stick like this. Now take a brown color and just for nest, no, just you have to give shade like this. See, lines you can do for nest. Okay, so bird nest is ready. Thank you, children.